Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on my ar15 kit that I ordered from Palmetto State Armory. And I got this kit that it was they're actually having a sale going on right now for the ar15 deals, the days. And yeah, it cost me about $459, and then plus tax, right around 480-ish. And then yeah, I also got free shipping with it. So yeah, let's I'm open it and see what's in the inside. Wow. These are the kit. Those are a standard air grip. I'm probably gonna change it to a Magpul later on. A regular air stock. Yeah, I'm gonna change this to and I think this is the fire control group kit. Oh, they actually organize it for you. Very nice. And then this is the trigger guard. Nice. And then here is the buffer tube. And I think this is the pins in the magazine latch and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yep. Oh. Magpul rear sights. The Magpul front sights. And here's the upper, full complete upper. Damn, it's nice. Wow. Wow. Really good quality right here, man. M-Lock rail too. Wow. Yep, can't wait to build it. I'm just waiting for other parts that I'm gonna order and install on it. Planning to get a bipod on, what do you call it? A pair of grip. Yeah, like a Magpul grip, I guess. And then I'm probably gonna change the charging handle to a different charging handle. Yeah, and then probably later I might add a 3.5 pound trigger onto this ar15 build. So yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching.